Hello my people, today we are going to learn 3 tenses. Tugiye kwiga ibihe bitatu bikuru by'inshinga. Are you ready? Present, I am hungry, ndashonje. Past, I was hungry, nari nshonje. Future, I will be hungry, nzaba nshonje. I am sad, ndarakaye. I was sad, nari ndakaye. I will be sad, nzaba ndakaye. Present, I'm happy, ndishimye. Past, I was happy, nari nishimye. Future, I will be happy, nzaba nishimye. I calm, ndatuje. I was calm, nari ntuje. I will be calm, nzaba ntuje. I'm tired, ndananiwe. I was tired, nari naniwe. I will be tired, nzaba naniwe. Turi kureba present, future na past. I'm proud, ntewe ishema. I was proud, nari ntewe ishema. I will be proud, nzaba ntewe ishema. I'm weak, ndi umunyantege nke. I was weak, nari umunyantege nke. I will be weak, nzaba ndi umunyantege nke. I am brave, ndi umunyamurava. I was brave, nari umunyamurava. I will be brave, nzaba umunyamurava. I'm first, mfite inyota. I was first, nari mfite inyota. I will be first, nzaba mfite inyota. I'm healthy, mfite ubuzima bwiza. I was healthy, nari mfite ubuzima bwiza. I will be healthy, nzaba mfite ubuzima bwiza. I'm hungry, ndashonje. I was hungry, nari nshonje. I'll be hungry, nzaba nshonje. I am scared, ndi gutinya. I was scared, naratinyaga. I will be scared, nzaba ntinya. I'm strong, ndakomeye, ndi umunyembaraga. I was strong, nari umunyembaraga. I will be strong, nzaba ndi umunyembaraga. I'm healthy, I was healthy, I will be healthy. Mfite amagara mazima, nzaba mfite amagara mazima, nari mfite amagara mazima. I'm poor, ndi umukene. I was poor, nari umukene. I will be poor, nzaba ndi umukene. I'm rich, ndi umukire. I was rich, nari umukire. I will be rich, nzaba ndi umukire. I'm sick, ndarwaye. I was sick, nari ndwaye. I will be sick, nzaba ndwaye. I'm serious, nta migaryo. I was serious, nari nta migaryo. I will be serious, nzaba nta migaryo. I am kind, mfite umutima mwiza. I was kind, nari mfite umutima mwiza. I will be kind, nzaba mfite umutima mwiza. I am foolish, ndi umusazi. I was foolish, nari umusazi. I will be foolish, nzaba ndi umusazi. I'm smart, ndi umunyabwenge. I was smart, nari umunyabwenge. I will be smart, nzaba ndi umunyabwenge. I'm mean, ndi umusobanuzi. I was mean, ari umusobanuzi. I will be mean, nzaba ndi umusobanuzi. I am polite, mfite ikinyabupfura. I was polite, nari mfite ikinyabupfura. I will be polite, nzaba mfite ikinyabupfura. Present, I'm lazy, ndi umunebwe. Past, I was lazy, nari umunebwe. Future, I will be lazy, nzaba ndi umunebwe. I'm hard working. Present, ndi umukozi cyane. I was hard working, nari umukozi cyane. Past, I will be hard working, nzaba ndi umukozi cyane. I am shy. Present, ngira isoni. I was shy. Past nagiraga isoni. I will be shy. Nzaba ngira isoni. I am exhausted. Ndishimye. I was exhausted. Nari nishimye. I will be exhausted. Nzaba nishimye. I am dishonest. Ntabwo ndi inyangamugayo. I was dishonest. Ntabwo nari inyangamugayo. I will be dishonest. Ntabwo nzaba ndi inyangamugayo. Present, past and future. I am friendly. Ni inshuti nziza. I was friendly. Nari inshuti nziza. I will be friendly. Nzaba ndi inshuti nziza. I am humble. Nciye bugufi. I was humble. Nari nciye bugufi. I will be humble. Nzaba nciye bugufi. The end. Thank you for today. I love you so much. I hope I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you enjoy this video. I love you so much. See you next video.